As we going further and further in the future, the world is evolving in a greater scale. So for that, today we are going to talk about the future of fintech and what we can expect in 2023. We asked a handful of industry insiders to dust off their crystal balls and tell us their prediction for the fintech sector 2023. The fintech industry is constantly evolving and improving, and 2023 is no exception. It is predicted that the fintech space will multiply and reach 174 billion in 2023, as the fintech is fast-growing industry with approximately 30,000 startups are undergoing. The banking industry has recently experienced a massive surge in adoption of fintech solutions as users are becoming more tech-savvy. From embedded finance to SaaS services, there are several tech trends that will shift the fintech industry in 2023. Last year, the European Investment Bank issued its first euro-dominated digital bank on a private blockchain in November 2022. Further, we will explore the top 6 trends that will define the future of fintech industry in 2023 and beyond, will help business and consumer make their life much more accessible and stress-free. First, we will talk about the greater use of blockchain, AI, IoT in financial transactions. This technology will help automate and streamline financial process, making them more effective and secure. Second, we will discuss the adoption of embedded finance in emerging markets led by inclusive fintech startups. There is a broad range of software and applications that is being used by banking sector. This will help bringing financial services to underserved population and promote financial inclusion. As you know that buy now pay later is the fastest growing embedded financial model. Third, neobank is a service that provides the people luxury to not go in the bank for any means necessary for anything. Neobank will cover all the aspects for you. You just need a phone with internet connectivity and you're good to go. It offers everything that was once available only by going in the bank. Fourth, we will talk about the convergence between digital asset player, payment provider, and finance and the capital market platform. This will lead to greater integration and interoperability between different financial services, making it easier for consumers to manage their finance. Fifth, we will discuss the increased use of AI to automate process and make more accurate prediction. This will help financial institutions to make better decisions and provide more personalized services to their customers. Sixth, there is a blockchain. It makes life easier for those who want loan for their business because it takes no time in processing the document and the safest way, and it is more transferable than the bank. When we talk about adoption of fintech, China is in the lead by over 90% of the citizens uses fintech bank and other applications like payment and management of their finances. Finally, we will explore the impact of the regulatory and legislative framework of the fintech industry. As the industry continues to grow and evolve, it will face increasing scrutiny from regulators and policymakers. It will be important for fintech companies to work closely with the regulator to ensure that their product and services are compliant with the relevant law and regulations. In conclusion, the future of fintech is bright and we can expect to see continued innovation and growth in the industry in 2023 and beyond. By adopting new technology and working closely with regulators, fintech companies can help make financial services more accessible, efficient, and secure for everyone. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.